Meaning of hard luck story.
Hard luck story.
Hard luck story.
Hard luck story.
Hard luck story. A hard luck story refers to a tale of personal misfortune or adversity, often told in order to elicit sympathy or assistance from others. These stories may involve difficult circumstances such as financial struggles, health problems, relationship issues, or other setbacks. Such stories are typically characterized by a sense of struggle, loss, and hopelessness, and may be used as a means of seeking validation or support from others. Ultimately, the impact of a hard luck story depends on the individual listener's level of empathy and willingness to assist those in need.